Starting Microsoft Word should be easy enough. You should be able to find the icon for Microsoft Word down on the dock of your computer. Now, sometimes it will not be on the dock because, well, it's easy to actually throw things away on the dock. If you don't see the W for Microsoft Word, we can always go up to the very top to the spotlight and just type in Word. And our Spotlight program has found Microsoft Word. We can either start it from there by double clicking, or we could just say Show All. And I'm going to scroll down until I see Application, because I know this is an application. A lot of Adobes. There it is. And if Microsoft Word was not on the dock, I could click on Word here and just drag it down and place it onto my dock. Well, it's already on my dock, so I don't need to do that. I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that window. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Word, and very briefly it showed me the window that said Microsoft Word. This program seems to work a little faster than previous versions, which is very good. Now, the Word document gallery came up on my computer. If it didn't come up on your computer, don't worry, it's not a problem. There's a little box down here that says don't show this when opening Word. Someone may have clicked it for you and it's just not going to happen. We can click on cancel to get rid of it, and I've come up into the main opening window for Microsoft Word. Now again, your window may look a little different, and that's because of the different views down here. For example, the first view is draft. Now, I don't have any margins on the side or anything like that. I don't see any page breaks. It just allows me to type text very quickly, very easily, and some people think that that's a very handy kind of operation. The second view is outline, and as you're typing in outline, line 1, it tends to put things into an outline kind of configuration. And again, that may be something that's of value to you. The publishing display, and if you click on that and you don't see this particular window, again, it's not a problem because someone may have clicked this little box that says don't show this message again. I'm going to tell it to create a new one, and this is kind of Word's answer to a desktop publishing kind of environment. If we didn't have Adobe InDesign, this probably would be a great thing to be able to use. I'm now in what's called the print layout view, and this is probably what you're going to use the most in this particular class. We can see it looks like a piece of paper laying on the desktop where we can type and put in our information. We can work from it here, and when you get to the bottom of a page, it gives you a brand new piece of paper, so you can start filling up that new piece of paper. There's also something called a notebook layout where you can type in your notes. Unfortunately, the notebook layout doesn't tend to go well into other documents. Then I'm going to go back to the print layout for a moment. There's also something called full screen where you can click on that, and it tries to get rid of as much of the headings and menus and things like that as possible. Basically just giving you this white piece of paper on a black layout. Now I'm going to press the escape key on my keyboard to exit out of that print preview mode. We're going to take a few moments also to look up at the very top. We have what's called the ribbon, and we have the home tab. We have layout where we can work with the orientation and columns and things like that. Document elements, tables, charts, smart art, and review. So there's all kinds of different things that we can work with from the ribbon of our computer.